Our last video we have done till question number 27, exercise 9.3, sequence series, NCERT. Okay, so today we'll start from question number 28. Okay, what's the question? Question is the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. The two numbers, select A and B are the two numbers and G is the geometric mean. Now the question given is G is and as you know that G will be equal to AB, G will be equal to square root of AB. Okay? And now we'll see the conditions given in the question. The sum of two numbers A and B is 6 times their geometric mean. मतलब A plus B is equal to 6 times their geometric mean G. So we can say that A plus B will be equal to 6 times AB, square root of AB. Okay, question 1 we have taken. Now what we have to do, what we have to show that ratio is equal to, ratio will be 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. ये हमें प्रूव करना है कि ये है रेशियो ऑफ A and B. Okay, so now we'll take A minus B का whole square. So A minus B का whole square will be A plus B whole square minus 4AB, can we write? And A plus B का whole square will be A plus B is equal to 6G. A plus B का we can write, यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं formula, this one 6A square root of AB. तो A plus B whole square will be 6 का square into AB minus 4 into AB, 4AB. Okay, so 6 square AB minus 4AB, so that is 36AB minus 4AB. So A minus B whole square will be equal to 32AB. So A minus B का वैल्यू क्या होगा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 32. So square root of 32 AB will be equal to 4 root 2 square root of AB. ठीक है, this will be equation 2. Now what we'll do, A plus B हम कर, A plus B, A minus B, equation 1 plus equation 2 अगर हम करते हैं, then what we'll get? We get A plus B plus A minus B. That will be equal to 6 square root of AB plus 4 root 2 square root of AB. ठीक है, now what value will be getting? A plus B plus A minus B, B cancel, it will be 6, okay, square root of AB we can take common, so what value we are getting? 6 plus 4 root 2. Now 2 हम common ले सकते हैं यहाँ से ना, so 2A will be equal to square root of AB, यहाँ से हम 2 common लेंगे तो it will be 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so this one cancelled, so what value we are getting for A के लिए we'll get the value 3 plus 2 root 2 into square root of AB. Okay, equation 3. Now putting the value of A in A plus B या A minus B कहीं पे भी हम put कर सकते हैं and we'll get the value. Okay, putting the equation value of A, equation 3 in equation 1. So A plus B is equal to 6 square root of AB है ना. So now we'll put the value of A in this equation. So it will be square root of 3 plus 2 root 2 into AB, square root of AB plus B is equal to 6 square root of AB. Okay, then B will be equal to 6 square root of AB minus 3 plus 2 root 2 square root of AB. अब हम AB कॉमन लेते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ AB कॉमन लेंगे, सो 6 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. It means B का वैल्यू will be square root of AB into 3 minus 6 minus 3 will be 3. So 3 minus 2 root 2. Equation 4. Okay. Now we have to find out the ratio of A upon B. So equation 3 upon 3:4 हम करेंगे, we'll get that value. Okay. So 3 upon 4 and it will be square root of AB into 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by square root of AB into 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. So this one cancel. So the ratio of those two numbers A is to B is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. ये prove करना था हमें and hence proved. Okay. Now this was question number 28. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 29. Okay. And the question is AG. Okay. Capital A and capital G are AM and GM, geometric mean and arithmetic mean of two numbers. Okay. So it means AM, A and G. Okay. लिखा A B. Let the two numbers A B. Okay. So A, capital A and B are in AP according to the question, and A, G and B are in GP. Okay. Now the A का value क्या होगा? A will be equal to A plus B upon 2. It means 2A will be equal to A plus B. Equation 1. And according to this one, G will be equal to square root of AB. It means G square will be equal to AB. Equation 2. Now what we have to do? We have to find out A plus B. Okay, A minus B का value हम निकालते हैं. A minus B whole square will be equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Okay. So A plus B is equal to 2A. So we can write 2 capital A का whole square minus 4AB. AB is equal to G square. So 4G square. Okay, we can write this. It means A minus B whole square will be equal to 4A square minus 4G square. We can take 4 common. So A square minus G square. ठीक है? It means A minus B का value will be square root of 4 मतलब 2 and square root of A square minus G square. So we can write A square minus G square को we can write A plus G into A minus G. ठीक है? Plus minus. Okay, and the question is what is the question? If A is the A and G are AM and GM respectively, so what we have to prove? We have to prove that the numbers are A and B. We have to find out the value of AB. AB के जो values होंगे वो हमें find out करने हैं. Okay, then now what we will do? We can find out A plus B का value हमें मालूम है ना? A plus B is equal to 2A and A minus B is equal to this value. Okay. So now A plus B plus A minus B का value क्या होगा? We'll add equation 1 and equation 3. ठीक है? So equation 1 and 3, equation 1 के according A plus B is equal to 2A and A minus B is equal to A plus B and plus 2 into square root of A plus G into A minus G. ठीक है? So we can take यहाँ पे 2 common ले लेंगे हम. Okay, 2 हमने common. Okay, next step में लेते हैं. So it is A plus B plus A minus B is equal to B cancel. So 2 will take common. a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. ठीक है. Now we can write here 2a will be equal to 2 into a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. So ये 2 cancel कर देंगे. So what value we are getting for a? There are two numbers we have taken, a and b. So a is equal to a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Okay, this is the this equation we have we can take equation number 4. Now by putting the value of a plus b के लिए, when we'll put the value a plus b is equal to 2a. Now a का value will put, so a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g will be equal to plus b is equal to 2a. Now b will be equal to 2a minus a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Now we have to find out the value of b. So b का value क्या आएगा? It will be b will be equal to 2a minus a and minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Now 2a minus a will be a. So b will be equal to a minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. ठीक है. So this will be the equation 5. So we can see a and b के जो values हैं, what are the values? A का value is a plus this one and b का value a minus this one. So we can write that those values, the numbers are a and b के जो values हैं, the roots of this equation, what we are getting, a plus minus square root of a plus g and a minus g. Okay, so this we have to prove, we have to find out this one. So hence proved. Now next question, question number 30. Question number 30 is a word problem. See, the number of bacteria in the certain culture doubles every hour. हर hour पे and after 1 hour it's increasing. So there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally. So 30 मतलब first term will be 30. पहले वो 30 था. After 1 hour what will be after 1 hour what will happen? It will double. So वो 60 होगा. Then after 2 hours it will so it's okay, it's doubling after every 1 hour. Okay, so it will be double. So basically the ratio is 2 times हो रहा है ना, every second term मतलब after 1 hour it will be 2 times. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find out end of 2 hours. So try to understand the question. The question is we have to find out how many bacteria will be present at the end of 2 hours, end of second hour. Okay, तो पहले तो already starting में this is 30. Okay, after 1 hour it will, this is the second term मतलब it will be double, so it will be 60 and after that 1 hour again 1 hour के बाद it will be 120 मतलब this is the first term, second term, third term. Okay, so second hour के end में that is मतलब third term. So second hour के end में it means you have to find out A3. Now fourth hour के end में what will be the value? Fourth hour के end में मतलब A5 you have to find out. Now nth hour के end में it means for A n plus 1 you have to find out. Now see, so A is given, R is given, so what will be the value? So we have to find out this value. So A3 will be equal to AR square. It means A is 30, R is 2 square. So that will be equal to 30 into 4, that will be 120. Now A5 we have to find out, so AR to the power 4, that will be equal to 30 into 2 ka power 4, that is 30 into 16. okay, and this will be equal to 480. Now a n plus 1 हमें find out करना है, मतलब a r to the power n, that will be equal to 30 into 2 का power n. Okay, so it will be basically 30 into 2 का power n. ठीक है, तो these are the three values जो भी question में पूछा है. Okay, after 2 hours it will be 120, after end of 2 hours it will be 120, end of 4 hours it will be 480, and end of n plus end of n hours, so it will be 30 into 2 to the power n. So this was question number 30. Now we'll move to the next question, 31. ये क्या है? What will be the rupees 500 amount to in 10 years after its deposit in a bank which pays annual interest rate of 10% compounded annually. So first term is, initially it is 500, so first term will be 500. N is after 10 years, so n will be, number of year will be 10. Now rate of interest, that will be, so that is ratio, how much it's increasing, compound, so that is 10%. 10% matlab 10 upon 100. We have to convert this into fraction, percentage को, so it will be 0.1. ठीक है, r is equal to 0.1. Now what we have to do, we have to find out a, that is total amount. The question is after its deposit bank, which pays annual interest, so what will be the amount, total amount क्या होगा? So amount will be equal to, we'll apply the formula of compound interest, that is P into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. Okay, so ये होगा 500 into 1 plus r upon 100 is 0.1 to the power 10. Okay, so it will be 500 into 1.1, 500, oh, it is 1.1, mistake I have done, 1.1 to the power 10. Okay, so this will be the value, that will be the amount, okay, after 10 years. Now last question of this exercise, that is 32, question number 32. If AM and GM of roots of a quadratic equation are 8 and 5, it means AM, that is equal to A plus B upon 2, ठीक है, and this is equal to 8. It means A plus B will be equal to 2 into 8. 2 into 8 will be equal to 16. Equation 1. Now GM का value क्या होता है? That is square root of AB, and that is given as 5. It means AB का value will be 5 का square, that is 25. Okay, equation 2. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the quadratic equation. तो उसके roots given हैं. So how we'll find out the quadratic equation? X square minus x into a, sum of the values a, b, a plus b का value, okay, plus a into b, that is equal to, that should be equal to 0. Okay, so x square minus x into a plus b का value 16, तो 16x plus ab का value is 25 equals to 0. Okay, so this will be the equation, quadratic equation. Okay, I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.